Piano leg repair, a handy guide for non-natives. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, piano leg repair. This might sound like a very specific topic, but it's a great example to understand English structure and vocabulary related to music instruments and repair services. Let's dive into the world of pianos and their maintenance. Piano leg repair might seem like a simple combination of words, but it holds specific meaning. A piano is a large musical instrument with keys that you press to produce music. The legs of the piano are the supporting structures that hold the piano upright. The word repair refers to the action of fixing something that is broken or damaged. So, piano leg repair involves fixing or restoring the legs of a piano to ensure it stands properly and securely. You might wonder why we need to focus on the piano's legs. The legs are crucial because they bear the entire weight of the instrument. If a leg is weak or damaged, it can lead to instability and potential damage or injury. Therefore, piano leg repair is not just about the aesthetics of the instrument but also about safety and functionality. Discussing piano leg repair also gives us the opportunity to learn some technical vocabulary. The process might involve assessment, checking the condition of the legs to understand the problem; dismantling, carefully removing the legs if necessary; repairing or replacing, fixing the damaged parts or replacing them entirely; refinishing, applying varnish or paint to make the legs look as good as new; reassembling, putting the legs back on the piano. Each step involves specific tools and techniques, making it a delicate and skilled task. We hope this video has given you not only insight into the phrase, piano leg repair, but also helped you learn more about English vocabulary related to musical instruments and repair work. Remember, understanding such specific phrases enhances your language skills and cultural knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.